Hello kids. Welcome to the farm. Today, we're going to meet some amazing farm animals and learn what sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go. Look over by the big red barn. It's a cow. The cow says, moo. Moo. Can you say moo with me? Moo. And who's this fluffy friend jumping in the grass? It's a sheep. The sheep says, baa, baa. What a happy little sheep. Peck, peck, peck. Here comes the chicken. The chicken flaps its wings and says, cluck, cluck, splash. Look at the yellow ducks swimming in the pond. The duck says, quack, quack. Wow, look at the horse, run. The horse says, neigh, neigh, so fast. And who's on that rock? It's a goat. The goat says, ma, ma. Great job, kids. Now, you know all the farm animals and their sounds. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.